Okay guys, coach number 2 for DBC locksmiths. This was a new old Chubb. I reckon it's one of the early ones. Worded key. That's that bit there. For them it's not. Cut away. There's 5 levers. It's a bit weird, nothing works. Just a bit like me sometimes. Pull the pin out. The door's locked. I'll bring it in a bit. There you go, you can see them all dropping down there. And it'll clear now that the pin's out. I presume this would be the inside of the lock, and the pin is a fail safe. If you put it in, nothing's happening. Nice cartouche, whatever you want to call it. Patent plate, whatever. Key goes in this side. You've got 180 degrees of movement, and if you can just make it out at that end, that's the limit of the movement, so that would be it open, key out, locked. I'll stick the pin in just now so it'll keep it out of the road. Try not to warp it this time. There we go. Getting better at this. Just a brass plate. And it's dead simple. It's almost like an Adams lock in here, except there's more levers. Really great lump of metal. I did actually think it was in one piece, but I'm just getting better light here. It's actually 5 different. Key goes in there, lifts each one. That's it. Open again. I'll shift my hand, and then you turn the key, and down it goes. In there. I don't know if you can make them out. It's like pick a card, any card. I'll turn it that way. It's not actually a solid lump. All the levers are elongated. Coming out, it's showing. I'm not going to dismantle it. Only just go to that. You can just see them. It looks like a laminated lock, which in effect it is, but the levers are in fact the bolt. You just turn them up gradually. Oh, helps to get that out. That's why it's not working. There you go. You can see the different cuts in the levers. They would obviously correspond to a catch in the lock and the plate and the door, or the wall. Well, it would be the wall. There you go. You can just see the different ledges. If I let them up. There we go. That's basically it. It's a simple enough, kind of clever little lock. Wasn't what I initially thought, because I didn't get much in the way of communications. I initially thought it was a detector lock, but it's not. Teach me to do a bit more homework, but I've never seen one before, so now I've got one. I have. The little pin goes in, the plate goes back on. Again, I'll better show you that, but the actual lever just lifts it. The same way as the key. Very little movement involved. Thing slides in. I'm pretty sure there should be a little threaded bit that goes in there, but it stays together well enough. And then just to prove it can, that's it, locked in the lock position. If you're inside busy doing something, take the pin out. There you go. It's quite a simple and elegant way. If you're in the inside of the safe room and not wanting somebody to come in, you can safely lock it with a pin. Nobody gets in. Pull the pin out, turn the knob, put the pin back in to make sure it's open. Yeah, Bob's a good one. That's about all I can say at the moment. Cheers. Coach number 2, DBC locksmiths. An old Chubb safe, strong room type lock. I reckon it is pretty early. Cheers.